To show your PC specs on a Windows system, you can follow these steps. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type MS Info 32. This will open the System Information window. In the System Information window, you can see various details about your PC, including the processor, installed memory, system type, and more. You can navigate through the different categories on the left side to view specific details like the display, storage drives, network adapters, and installed software. Alternatively, you can also view basic system information by right-clicking on the This PC or My Computer icon on your desktop or in the File Explorer, selecting Properties and checking the details displayed under Device Specifications. These methods should provide you with an overview of your PC's specification.